Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, October the 13th, 2025. Bulls have finally cracked and the KSE 100 index has dipped below two key exponential moving averages, the 10 and 20-day EMAs. Momentum has also flipped bearish and 156,000 now stands as a line in the sand. Let's take a closer look. So this is where we stand right now, a 46.54 point drop. Crucially, the index is now below two key exponential moving averages, the 10-day and the 20-day EMA. This was slightly lower than usual, than average volume, so that's one thing that you have to keep in mind. But otherwise, look at the momentum collapse. RSI going from extremely overbought, almost 90 levels, to now 45.23. A bit of neutralish, but not yet oversold. MACD, look at this. Now, the histogram has now deepened red. The death cross is now deepening, so momentum is also wavering out MACD-wise. The strength of the trend, ADX, has moved down from the 60s, 62, now to very strong trend levels, but the angle is down. ADX has plateaued. That means that the momentum is now running out of steam. Key levels here to watch out for are especially this around the 156,000 level. This is where the market stabilized a little bit before in the last 2 months. So this, plus it's a psychological level, and it's near the 50-day exponential moving average. So there may be a buy the dip scenario over here. But if this breaks, then this is a structural change in the pattern. So we have to be very careful. Our final verdict for the day would be the correction deepens as momentum unwinds sharply. Now, bulls must defend the 156,000 to 155,000 zone, which is near the 50-day EMA, to avoid a complete structural breakdown. Bias has turned from neutral to bearish short term. Once again, buy the dip only works around these levels with defined stops and with strong volume if there is a rebound. Otherwise, the index must brace for a change of trend. Thank you.